this is my LED light bar. Open this up real quick. So this is from Amazon. It's supposed to come with a 42-inch light bar with two little 4-inch ones or whatever. Let's see here. Two little small ones. Maybe it's just screws or something. Let's hope. Okay, the other one. Yeah, it's like screws. Oh yeah, screws. Yeah, I can see the screws in there. And let's see here. Instructions. All the wiring. Looks pretty nice. This is. Can't see what gauge it says on here. Oh. This must be hardware. Yep, sounds like some metal stuff. More metal. And the light bar itself. It's not too bad. Hopefully it's not damaged. I guess we'll find out. Oh, there's a nice go. There we go. It's hard doing this with one hand. Okay. Just got all the light bar stuff. So this is the two little small ones. And this is the 42-inch one right here. Looks pretty nice. I'm gonna mount the wiring right here. I'm gonna mount it like right here on the ground. And then these wires will connect like so. And I'll run this wire all up in here, down up in here somewhere, and it'll come out over here, and I'll run it up, boop, boop, like that. Shouldn't be too hard. I still have to install these, which those will be on tomorrow, because I'm getting like this little bar that goes on the front of the license plate. So take this off and you mount it to here, up in here somewhere, wherever, and then I put the lights, one right here and like one right here. So that would look pretty cool. Plus the one up there, it'd be hella bright, because you see, look, it's dark out here. You can't really see anything. There's no street lights. The neighbor would put streetlights for his house, but other than that, we ain't got nothing. See how dark it is? It's really dark. So I'm gonna open up this gate. And we're gonna test this out. See how bright this bad boy is. Whew, I'm excited.
1 0 0 1
Back up real quick. Show you how bright this is. Okay, so I don't have headlights on yet. So let me turn on my headlights. Okay. Now let's turn headlights off. Now let's do the light bar. Wow. Wow. Big difference. Headlights and light bar. Wow. That's something else. Damn. Hella bright. That shit's too bright. off. Regular lights. And then we need to see some shit. Damn. All back together. Fresh grill painted. Nice little bumper. Let's go turn the lights. Switch. These lights. Legit. With the little bumper. Nice and solid on there. They ain't coming off at all. Put some thread locker on it so the bolts don't get loose. We good.